Hey, it's Don and Alice here with the DIY Collaborative. Thanks for stopping by the channel today to check out another one of our videos. We're cleaning out our hobby greenhouse this spring. It's time to get all of the plants that have been wintering over in there out and get them spruced up and spiffied up. Specifically, we're concentrating today on bringing out the geraniums first. And the reason we're doing that is the video coming up in another week or so will be on actually going over those and trimming them up as needed, and adding new potting soil to those, fertilizing them, and getting them ready to go back out in the landscape. These were actually seedlings that we did last year, and we actually started them in a grow room in our home and then transferred them to the greenhouse to get them to where they were big enough to actually go out in the landscape, and they did quite well, is why we decided to winter those over this year. Here's a shot of when we actually started the geranium seeds. Later on, the seedlings were progressing nicely, and at the end of this video there's another like a 1 minute long video going over the spring clean out in this hobby greenhouse in 2024. So stay tuned for that. I appreciate you stopping by the channel. Hit that like button and subscribe if you don't mind. It really helps us out. And be sure and give us some comments or feedback. We love to see what everybody thinks or has to say, and we try to answer as many of those as we can. Thank you. It's early March in our hobby greenhouse project, and we had quite cold weather last night overnight. A lot of wind out of the north. There was actually a wind chill that was right at or below freezing, but everything in our hobby greenhouse looks pretty happy. We've been itching to plant, but we've been holding off because we knew, as everyone says, there's another freeze coming. It's about 81 in the greenhouse right now. I think you may be able to see that up on our thermometer. But we've got a little bit of everything in here. Squash, watermelons, peppers. There's all kinds of petunias, flowers. Got our seed potatoes going there. Got a lot of perennials that we were overwintering in here. And just things like that. So far we're very happy with our little project, and it keeps us busy and we're enjoying it. I will add too that probably 95% of everything in here was actually started from seeds